15 हायर सेकंडरीनी 95% परस चड रिजल्ट लागला। भुरग्यांच्या पालकांनी वेगवेगळ्या कडच्यान प्रुडंटाक फोन करून दिले म्हायती प्रमाण अंदूय चलयांचीच बाजी। चलयां स्टार्स सायन्सीत 94.16% मार्क घेवन देंपेचे सावी नाटेकार परजळ्ळे। कॉमर्सात झेवियराचे शिवानी भिडे 95.5%, जाल्यार आर्ट्सात 97% मार्क घेवन देंपोचे नेरिझा जुजार्त स्टार।
Overwhelming and it's just surprising or more than what I was expecting. That's it. Well, I plan to be an architect, so I'll be answering my exam soon. Try not to be too serious about your studies. Like, balance yourself. Don't study all the time, because when you study all the time, you start forgetting everything that you study. That's all. Other than that, just work hard, whatever you are doing or whichever career you want to choose. Just work hard for it. They always supported in whatever career I chose for myself. They never forced me to do anything else other than what I chose. Also, my teachers and other faculty members supported me a lot throughout this time.
It's just maybe that consistency is the key. Maybe just not focus on one subject and give equal time and interest to every subject. It's like maybe it's a subject that you don't like, so we generally end up, keeping it like till the last moment. But I think that's what you should take up first and clear it, and then go for something that you like. Like now, economics in the beginning, I found it very difficult sort of a thing to manage. But then, I don't know, now I ended up scoring full in that subject only. Because, I don't know, I developed an interest for it. So, I think that's what it is. It's just developing an interest and, I don't know, just doing what you feel like. Just putting in a lot of interest into it rather than putting hours. Like, generally we quantify, like, 3 hours for this subject, 2 hours for this, and I don't know, it just goes on. Maybe just not that, just wake up and today I'm going to give my time to this subject. So just start, maybe refer books, and I don't think there's anything else. Just need to be happy about what you're doing. Now, actually, I'm planning to go for CA, Chartered Accountancy. So I've already been going for these coaching classes in Pune. So I'm going to be there only now for the next 4 years.
10वेचो निकाल 20 माया उपरांत जातलो। 12वेचो निकाल जाहीर करतना चेअरमॅनान ही कल्पना दिली। पोरू 12वेचो 88.77% रिजल्ट लागिल्लो, अंदू 85.53%। सप्लिमेंटरी परीक्षा जूनाच्या 7 तारखेक जातली। ऑक्टोबराची परीक्षा रद्द केल्या। ब्युरो रिपोर्ट प्रुडंट।